What's up, guys? So today I'm doing a little session down at Pepper Park, 24th Street. This is the 1/4 ounce Chovy by Hookup baits. I think this bait will definitely get it done today. And then this is an 1/8 ounce in pink. I'm hoping I can catch my first bass off this color today because it is one of the more newer colors. But hopefully this works out. Oh yeah, and I got a haircut, so I'm practically bald now. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, so the gear that I used, this video is pretty simple. We got a Daiwa Protus. It's a 7/6 rod. I'm pairing it with the Shimano Sedona 4000 with 40-pound braid to 10-pound mono. And then I'm using 1/4 ounce hookups and 1/8 ounce Chovy in pink. And then I'm also using some of Chad's red scent. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so what's your name again?
Gerardo Cortez.
Alright, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
So.
I'll catch you again.
Oh yeah.
Look, they're jumping over there.
Oh yeah, the mullet. They're not big enough to eat it. I mean, there's been plenty of times where I've caught big smelt off lures, man. Smelt, I thought were vegetarians for like a really long time, but I'm pretty sure that they're not. Okay, maybe I've been here for 30 minutes. Not that long. Maybe. Look at that. What are those? Oh, I know what those are. Those are those, ooh. That's a better fish. I don't know what that is. Spotty? It's fish on, baby. Dude, he hit it so hard. Look at that. That little spotty smashed it just from dead sticking. Perfect. We did. Look at that. How in the world did I not hook him in the mouth? Poor little dude. Just dead sticking, and then he smashed this little hub. It's underneath his eye, it's in the cheek. Right there, but left well. There we go. A little 1/4 ounce hub and that. Gets him done. Gets him done. Alright, let's give this guy a little release. Look at those mullet. Coming straight up in. Back. Something. Like a mullet or something. Look to see what the hell that was. Hopefully we get just nailed. I really love this fourth. Got him. Look up. Oh, that was Spotty. Spotty? Yeah. There he is. Oh. Well, he probably just killed himself. Still alive there, buddy. Jeez. Yeah. Ah. If I could get a picture to go. Come on. There you go, little dude. Chill out. You're fine. Get this whole thing on film of me getting the bite and everything. Oh, that's a fish. As soon as I get back. That's a good one too. That's a good fish. Yep, that's better. Don't swim me down into the rocks, little buddy. Let's not lose this one. Let's not lose this one. Dude, he was about to saw me off. First fish on the pink. I switched colors. Oh my god, dude, look at how serrated that line is. I gotta put a whole new top shot on this. You little bum munch. That's cool. That's nice. Third spotty. But I had to switch my SD card because... he bit me. I had to switch my SD card because I ran out of stock. Luckily I brought the Water Wolf because the Water Wolf had an SD in it. Engulfed it on an 1/8 ounce. Alright guys, so my camera died right after I caught that last fish, but got him unhooked. He swam off safely, and it's about the end of it. So I'm gonna wrap this stuff up here and then I go home. Had a good time though. See you guys out on the water. Until then, tight lines.